I am at 51 West Ranch Trail, installation of a RUC 199 condensing, non-recirculating power Rinnai water heater. Existing vent for the single wall water heater that's coming out now, the single vent is terminating underneath this deck, which is not going to be permitted. We're going to extend that vent line using the same penetration underneath the deck, bringing it to a point roughly here at the beginning of the steps. We're going to use a 45 and bring it out and terminate it on the outside of the deck. All of the outside line is going to be wrapped with 3-inch Armaflex. Terminate it so that condensate will drip right on the outside of the rock down onto the soil. It's an LP unit. LP regulator is right outside of the room that houses the water heater. Gas line is already sized appropriately for the water heater. Inside here, we've got an opening that's larger than needs to be for the penetration. Once we've got our 3-inch vent going through there, we want to insulate that with Armaflex, and then we want to fill it in with the fire stop. I'm going to mount the tankless water heater to the concrete wall. We've got 3/4 inch gas right up here. We'll just need to drop it down. I would say a 2-foot nipple should work out well. Bringing it down and then attach to a flex line and reconnect it to the new tankless water heater. Electrical is available right here to the side. Treated, neutralized condensate waste will go down through this floor drain, haul away and dispose of the existing 75-gallon power vent water heater. For combustion air, we are going to draw from within this room, which has free communication to the crawl space below the house, which travels all the way back underneath the house. The room is heated, so we should not be concerned about the water lines freezing up in the winter. It is an LP unit again, so we'll make sure that we've got an LP unit that we're installing. Water line is above here with a gate valve. We'll leave that one in place, but the new tankless will have its hookups which have ball valves on it and attachments for cleaning. Also installing a Awua Rex for well system to help neutralize the hard minerals within the water prior to going into the tankless water heater.